Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Ameen. And this is amazing and fantastic videos. So amazingly designs ideas. And this video is all about the crochet cocoon sweater designs. Crochet cocoon sweater designs. It's amazing and fabulous designs. It's gorgeous videos I have shared with newly designs. Newly videos we have shared amazing videos, amazing ideas, and just looking gorgeous designs. And so this is gorgeous videos I have shared with you. एंड जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप लोगों को दिखाए जाते हैं सभी आप सबकी जो इसके अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं और इस amazing videos we have shared with more creative designs of different provocative videos. You look very stunning designs and stunning videos के साथ आप सबके साथ इस तरह के डिज़ाइंस वगैरह शेयर किए जाते हैं. And we will keep gorgeous videos and just gorgeous videos and different patterns of different amazing videos and different articles and just looking gorgeous videos. And keep watching, stay connected with our channel. There will be amazingly videos of cocoon sweaters. cocoon sweaters जो भी आप लोगों को दिखाए जाते हैं जो कि डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस में होते हैं, डिफरेंट अमेजिंग वीडियोस में होते हैं. काफ़ी सारी वीडियोस आप सबके साथ शेयर की जाती हैं. प्लीज़ कैन डू इट. प्लीज़ subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members, I have shared with creative designs, creative ideas. This is fantastic videos and fantastic videos. You look be very fabulous designs ideas and stunning videos keep more amazing and you look be very gorgeous videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself.